Hi, this is Abe, and in this video I'm going to talk about character manipulation using the trim function in Oracle Database. I'll look at the syntax and then run through a couple of examples. So the trim function is very similar to the ltrim and rtrim, which I talked about in a previous video, except that it has a slightly different syntax, but it basically does the same thing. Now if you look at the syntax, basically the keyword is trim, and then in brackets you'll have to provide the trim info, which is one of these keywords here, leading, trailing, or both. And then provide the character that you're wanting trimmed, and then the keyword from, and then finally the string that you're wanting to trim. And I'll go through and show you what that looks like in the example. Now I've already got my SQL Developer application open. I'm connected to my database, and I'll start off with my first example. So I'll do a select trim, and I'll do a trailing for this one. And here's the character that I want to trim, and then keyword from. I'll use the same example I used in the previous video. 100. I'll put these dashes in, close a single quote, close the bracket, from dual, semicolon, control enter to run that. And as you can see in my result, it's displaying 100 without all the dashes behind it. We can also do it this way. So select trim. This time I'll do a leading dash from 200. Close the semicolon, close the single quote, close the bracket, from dual, semicolon, and run that. And as you can see in my result, it removed all the dashes that are leading this string here. A third example, select trim, the dash from 300, put it before and after, close the bracket, from dual, semicolon, and I'm going to run that. So this one actually does both. As you can see, I didn't specify trailing or leading, and as mentioned here, if it's omitted, it defaults to both. So it's going to remove all the instances of the dash from that are leading or trailing this string here. And as you can see in my result, that's exactly what I get. So there you have it. Talked about the trim function and went through a few examples. I'll be posting these to my blog, which I'll link to in the description box below. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, like, and share, and see you later.